And I have always said this to everybody. Initially, I'm an occultist who has happened to fall into the path of Luciferianism. Luciferianism for me became like a gateway and also a vehicle on which I was propagating and delivering my lessons, my teachings to the masses. And we decided that we would revive the Church of Lucifer. In my opinion, Lucifer and Christ are one and the same thing. Now, a lot of people will probably have something to say about this point, and I have no problem in respecting anybody's opinion. But at the same time, people need to also be open-minded. Lucifer is the divine fetch, and Christ was the mortal fetch. In fact, they are both called the morning star. They are both seen as the light, as that which is there to lead mankind to a much more spiritual elevation than is sought in this third dimension. Christ and Lucifer, two parts, two sides of the same coin. Heaven and hell is something that has been literally created, in my opinion, by the church itself. There's only one sure thing in this world that we live in, death. So if you're gonna die anyway, so why are you spending all your life literally killing yourself to become rich? Yet the richness that really counts, spiritual richness, the richness that is gonna enhance your soul and is gonna be your paying attribute to whatever happens next, we seem to have forgotten about. We seem to think it does not exist anymore.